ng good for 5 million. Ito na yung to cover up for the increases of cost.
Yes.
Kasi kung i-estimate ko lang ngayon, ang semento, I peg the project study kasi bukas iba na ang presyo eh. So, gawain mo na lang good for 5 years. Yung 2 years na yan, para na yan sa ano. So, in fairness to the engineers and to the constructors, construction company, yun yung nangyayari. Hindi naman lahat. Yung iba talagang hausyaw. It's for government to distinguish which is the falsehood and the truth. Kaya itong dito, pagka may falsehood, the persons behind it must be held accountable at no mercy.